Here we are at the Thermal Club. It's June 4th. Just completed our first test with the Pirelli Slicks setup on our 992 GT3. Previously the car was running on the Goodyear OEM DOT tire, and our baseline was a 215. Then we added the Pirelli Slicks. We changed our alignment somewhat. We put in our new GMG World Challenge spherical bearing control arm kit in the rear. But what that does is it stabilizes and minimizes the movement and play in the rear suspension, and that really helped the car squat and get off the corners. And with the Pirelli Slick and the same modifications on the same temperature type day, we've gained 6 seconds. So we went from a 215 to a 209 using the Solo 2 timer, and I'm completely impressed. And I think there's two reasons. Obviously the Pirelli Slicks enhance the grip capabilities immensely. The corner exit, being able to commit full throttle, was unbelievable. I could get off the corners with more throttle, more full throttle commitment, and it just pulled down the straight. Now keep in mind, we added some front camber. We have a lot of rake in the car. We added our new rear suspension link arms, and so all that contributed to a lot more performance. But to run that time in 95-degree heat here in June is impressive. So I have to say, Porsche continues to raise the bar with their street product, and then what we do at GMG is we basically enhance that and even do more to increase the performance with the safety equipment, all while testing at the Thermal Club. So first test so far was pretty impressive, and I'm really happy with the results.